I'm Jonathan Forgash of Queens Together. We're here for Flavors of New York, and we're in my home neighborhood of Astoria, Queens, at a newish restaurant that I'm a big fan of called Notable. Come with me. We're here with Nicholas Green, one of the owners of Notable.
How are you?
Tell me about the name.
A group of us were sitting here, like me and three of my really close friends, and they was making fun of me. Like, how are you gonna open a store without no table? You have Jamaican food, all Jamaican food supposed to have. So, they just making fun. So one of the guys was like, oh, let's just call it No Table. We have no tables in here. So that's
Perfect.
exactly how the name is born.
Tell me about this menu.
And so, I'm from Jamaica, so like born and raised in Jamaica. I used to come to the States back and forth. My mom didn't want us to go to finish school up here. She wanted us to finish school in Jamaica.
Okay.
But she also wanted us to be self-sufficient, me and my eldest brother. So she taught us how, cook, wash, and clean. So when, I realized I was going to open up the restaurant, I just tried to take what she taught me and just infused it with something American. So that's where like the oxtail Philly's born. It's generally in Jamaica we don't eat oxtail on a sandwich.
Right.
We eat it with rice and peas. But America, especially New York, is big in sandwiches. So I just use that as just an inspiration, just the food from Jamaica, just to convert it a little bit to a little more American cuisine.
So tell us about my favorite breakfast sandwich in Astoria.
The oxtail, egg, and cheese.
Yeah, man, that's it. That's it.
So the oxtail, egg, and cheese, everybody was like, why don't I serve Jamaican breakfast? Which is, it's hard to come in here. I'm here at 5 o'clock in the morning anyway. It's hard to come in a little earlier, so all the cooking and stuff is done here early in the morning. So it's hard to, cook food. So I just figure we already have the oxtail. Everybody likes eggs. So just, put them together and see what happens. And that's how that was born.
It's so good. So, besides the Jamaican food and the breakfast specials, I see you have some specialty items on the menu. So tell me about the essential workers, how that came about, and whatever else you'd like to show us.
So for the essential workers, I worked in the hospital for 17 years.
Across the street?
Yeah, across the street at Mount Sinai, Queens. So I worked there for 17 years. And so I built a rapport with everybody. I knew all the doctors, the nurses, admin, everybody. I'm really cool with them. So I figured, how could I make them feel like this is also a part of what? Because 17 years is a long time to spend in one place. So I just figured, what could I do to make everybody feel included? So I just came up with the essential workers. And during COVID and everything, everybody was so down and it was such a rough time. So I figured, what better thing to do and just give them something.
So, part of the work we do at Queens Together is we do food pantries with families at schools, and we have a Feed a Veterans program. So Nicholas is taking care of one of our veterans, a 96-year-old Korean War vet in South Queens. Nicholas and his team have been delivering food, so the man has fresh food 7 nights a week.
A few of my cousins are in the military. One is in the Air Force, one's Air Force, and three's in the Marines. I have 3 Marines. So, it's a little close to home. So, anything we could do, especially here at Notable, to feed the veterans.
I hear he loves the food. So you're making an old man very happy.
This is our famous oxtail Philly cheese. We went viral a few times for this. This is delicious.
That looks good.
Like one of my favorite things on the menu.
Are you going to share that?
Absolutely. So this is the jerk chicken platter, 2 pieces of jerk chicken with veggies, plantain, and the famous rice and peas. The oxtail empanada.
Look at that. Can you make the sauce?
Yeah.
Wow, man, that's really great. The dough is perfect.
The dough is delicious. The sauce is just 3 ingredients.
Go on.
No, I can't. September 19th is the 4-year anniversary of the store, so we're gonna have the grill outside, the Jamaican grill, the drum, the jerk chicken. We're gonna have hot dogs and burgers for the kids. This is the jerk chicken plate, the oxtail Philly, and a jerk chicken empanada. with the house sauce.
I'll take this. Hey man, thanks for everything.
Oh, thank you for stopping by, John.
Absolutely. See you soon.
Yes, sir.
Let's go eat. So, with a jerk chicken empanada. This, I think, is the oxtail Philly cheesesteak. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my. Oh my, that's just lovely. So much flavor. The bun's kind of squishy. Just sort of adds to the whole thing. That's really quite a sandwich. This is his jerk chicken. I believe it's a lunch special with cabbage and rice and beans. I see plantains. Yeah, that looks good. Very sweet. All right. Well, that's gonna be a mouthful. Excuse me. Spicy too. I'm Jonathan of Queens Together. We're here at Notable in Astoria having a really good meal. And why do we always come out with flavors of New York? Because we're always visiting the best restaurants and the best people and the best food in Queens. Take care.